Welcome to Campus Orthodontics. My name is Jolene and I'm going to give you a tour of our Adams Township office. Let's go. So this is our waiting area where you'll walk into the office. We have things to do for kids of all ages. We have a gaming console station. We have a little movie room for the kids as well as iPad stations. For our younger patients and their siblings, we have a little train table here that they love to play with. For our adult patients, we have a coffee bar here stocked with all the teas and coffees of your choosing. We also have freshly baked cookies for our patients at the end of their appointments. And here's our reception area where you'll schedule your appointments. You'll also find our monthly office giveaways that you can enter to win. And if you'll follow me this way, you'll meet our treatment coordinator, Kara.
Hi, my name is Kara. This is our conference room. This is where Dr. Campus will discuss your treatment plan and we'll talk about payment options.
So this is our clinical area. Back here is where you'll begin and end your treatment with Dr. Campus and our amazing assistants. You'll see people getting their braces on, getting their braces off, putting expanders in, taking them out. A lot of fun stuff happens back here. Thanks for hanging out with me during the office tour today. Call the number at the bottom of the screen and we'll hope to see you soon.